Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Akshit here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidira? Yes, like you read the title, I'm actually going to unbox a tire in the first video, and then of course followed by I'm going to just take the tires to the a place where I got my tires changed previously. I'm going to do that. So meanwhile, go ahead and check the tires as well. Yeah. Right, so this is the tires. So please ignore the background. So I'm in my one of the unused home or ground floor. So this is the same Bridgestone Centuro NS. This is a soft compound tire, and this is a section which is 120/70 ZR17. So like you already know, the rear tire is Rosso 3, but I did not found it, so I had to use this one as an option. So I'll just go and get this installed. Meanwhile, stay tuned. Yeah. So just in case, how much I paid? I think I paid in between somewhere like 10 or 12,000. I have the bill. Let me check here. So this is the bill, the guy who sent. So the price was about 10,500 approximately. So that's what I paid. So let's go there and check. And this is the pattern. And if you see, it says Centuro, right? And year of manufacture will be somewhere here. I think when I open the wraps, I'll just check what is it. I think it was just like 2 or 3 months old before. But I'm little worried because this looks slightly smaller when it comes to the size of 6R. But let's figure out. Let's go now. Alright, so just in case if you want to look the side-by-side comparison. So this is the Bridgestone Battle Axe S22. And this is the tire that I got. So I'll just try to keep it next to each other. Maybe a bit of comparison will do. So similar in length because it's slightly taller because it is still there. This has been just balded. So the corners I'm not able to reach because this thing is I've started to get some lines. I think I can use it, but I think I spent about good 2 years, close to 2 years with this tire. So considering the rubber expansion and a lot of other factors that I would recommend I take this off, just my safety as well, right? So I'll just go and see you around there, yeah? डालना पड़ता है क्या व्हाट्सएप सेम ಮೂವತ್ನಾಲ್ಕು ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ತಾನೆ ಲಾಕ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡೋದೆ ತೋರಿಸೋಣ. This is the ABS ring for 6R, so just in case if you want to know. And the model is K4. I'm guessing it should be from Bosch itself, but let's see. ಅದು ABS ring ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹೊಡೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ABS ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ABS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ABS ring ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ರೆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಅಂತ ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಪಟ್ ಅಂತ ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ. ಗಿಡದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ R1 ಇರೋನಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ABS ಗಾಡಿ ಎಳ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗಿಡದಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮಿಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಏನೋ ಆ ಥರ ಮೈಗೆ ಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಹಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. थोड़ी टॉल हो गया ना, 1-2 इंच. एक सेकंड दिखाओगे. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸ್ಕ್ರಾಚಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ.